Here we are in the outdoor testing studio, which is an important place to test outdoor products, and these are lights from SUNTHIN. So I have cool landscape lights that are multicolored that I use for the holidays, right? We could change them all different colors depending upon whether it's Halloween or Christmas or what, somebody's birthday. We got good stuff going on out there. But when I want it just to be basic white, they're this blue terrible light, which I really don't like. So I bought these, not sponsored, bought them for ourselves because these are a warm white landscape light. This happens to be the 8-pack, but they come in different sizes. So the only thing to do here is I'm gonna take them outside, install them, and then I'll bring you out, show you what they look like, and we can make a decision whether I bought the right thing or not. All right, let's go do that. Okay, it's not absolute dark out, but you can clearly see how well these lights are working. I mean, they look great. I love the warm white light instead of the cold blue LED kind of style. It's nice that you can get both nowadays. Obviously, super powerful. Look how bright and white they are, even when it's like a little dusky out, not quite pitch black out. These are an absolute 5 out of 5 on the Doug score.